This is a short video on how to remove a print from a framed piece. These are the two tools you'll need: a knife and a screwdriver. This is the interchangeable kind that has the small flathead attached to it. So you start, you can remove the wire. Then I take the knife, I cut the corners, and I slice in the crevice there. This will give you access to the spring clips, and you'll be able to remove the glass later. So you dig in here, bring the clip out. Just go around, whatever's easiest for you. Maybe this, you can see this better. You feel in there, you'll see the edge of the clip. Sometimes you have to do a little digging. And what you're looking for is this end here. Once you get it out, you can by hand pull it out. And you dig in there, you feel that, just pop it right out. You're not really harming the front of the image. This is just the foam core on the back. Once you get these out, just set them aside. And do one end. If it's an 8x10, or you always do the short end. And I just kind of tap it out. Set that aside. Slide this out. And you can save this. If you're going to reuse the glass, just set it aside. I use foam core when I clean glass, but you can use a towel or whatever. At this point, you can kind of remove some of this tape. You don't need to remove it all, just some of it. Makes it a little easier. And if you don't have this kind of art tape to put back on, you could use a masking tape, I suppose. It just keeps the dust and bugs out. And again, you just take some of this tape off. It's not really necessary, I just do it. And there it is. There's your frame and your glass. If you want to put a different mat on your piece, then you can sandwich it together. You would clean this glass very good. Blow it off. Blow this off. Put it back. With a different mat or whatever you're doing. Again, I do things upside down. So you slide it back in. Put it back together. This part's easier if it's off the edge of the table. Screw it back down, put the clips back in, and if you're going to do the tape, after you've screwed it together, you're good to go. Thanks.